iFixit mystery box. Give it a go. Alright, first look, can't tell. Let's see, maybe come out this way. Anti-static project tray, okay. Ooh, precision bit set, complete for tackling big jobs. Alright, let's see what else we got. Prying and opening tools assortment. Fast charger, nice. USB-C AC adapter. Okay. Anti-clamp device opener. Okay. Alright, and then a bunch of mysterious things. Alright, looks like flush cutters. Okay. Precision tweezer set. Repair notes, ideas and mistakes. Right to repair patch. Never take broken for an answer. A couple stickers. More stickers. Some sort of ruler. And contact condition cleaner. And looks like one other sticker. Alright, that's my iFixit mystery box. Looks like it paid for itself. Fun stuff. Alright.